More than just about having sheer power, the best laptop for programming needs to have the speed and storage ideal for compiling code as well. When choosing the best laptop for programming, make sure to pick one with the fastest memory. Investing in one of the best SSDs can also massively improve your workflow and save you time when loading and running the projects. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. We're starting out our list with the Google Pixelbook. It's accessible via its dedicated hotkey or by voice activation using the phrase "OK Google." Specs-wise, it's also plenty capable, featuring a 7th generation 1.3 GHz Intel Core i7-7Y75 dual-core processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. Its 12.3-inch display, driven by integrated Intel HD graphics, has a 2400 by 1600 resolution display and a 400 nit brightness rating for crisp and clear viewing even in brightly lit environments. With a dedicated hotkey and voice activation, Google Assistant is built into this Chromebook to help answer your questions, get things done, manage your day, and more. Other integrated features include 802.11 AC dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, a backlit keyboard, a 1-megapixel webcam, microphones, speakers, and a mic headphone combo jack. Up next on the list, we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. Weighing just 1.74 pounds and measuring just 0.33 inches thin, it features a magnesium design with hidden perimeter venting. The Surface Pen provides up to 4,096 pressure sensitivity levels, while the Surface Dial allows for on-screen interactions. It features a 12.3-inch Pixel Sense display with a 2736 by 1824 screen resolution and a 3:2 aspect ratio. The 10th Gen Intel Core i7-1065G7 quad-core processor has a base clock speed of 1.9 GHz, and it can be boosted up to 4.2 GHz when performing demanding tasks. It also has integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics, plus it has 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, a 256GB SSD, a microSD XC card slot, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, a 5-megapixel front-facing camera with Windows Hello Face authentication sign-in, an 8-megapixel rear-facing camera with Full HD 1080p video recording, and autofocus. Moving on, next on the list we have the Apple MacBook Pro. It features an AMD Radeon Pro 5300M graphics card, a 7nm mobile discrete GPU designed for Pro users. With 4GB of GDDR6 VRAM, Pro users will be able to tackle GPU-intensive tasks. The 16-inch Retina display has a 3072 by 1920 resolution at 226 ppi and 500 nits of brightness. It is powered by a 9th Gen 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7 6-core processor that features a burst speed of up to 4.5 GHz, while 16 GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM helps to ensure smooth multitasking and also allows the computer to access frequently used files and programs quickly. For long-term storage of your files, it is equipped with a 512GB SSD, and if you want to add external peripherals, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports support bidirectional transfer speeds of up to 40 GB a second. Up next on the list, we have the Apple MacBook Air. It houses a 1.1 GHz 10th Gen Intel Core i5 quad-core processor, which can be boosted up to 3.2 GHz, and 8 GB of 3733 MHz LPDDR4X RAM in its trademark thin and light unibody wedge design, made from 100% recycled aluminum. For faster boot times and app launches, it utilizes a 512GB PCIe SSD. With over 4 million pixels, the 13.3-inch Retina display features a 2560 by 1600 screen resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio for 227 pixels per inch. For more graphical performance, the MacBook Air supports Thunderbolt 3 enabled external graphics processors, also known as eGPUs. Speaking of battery life, it provides up to 11 hours of wireless web browsing and up to 30 days of standby time thanks to its built-in 49.9 Wh lithium polymer battery. The next product on the list is the HP Elitebook X360 1040 G6 notebook. This system is powered by a 1.6 GHz Intel Core i5-8365U quad-core processor, which features a boost speed of up to 4.1 GHz and allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously. The 16GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 memory helps ensure smooth multitasking and allows the computer to access frequently used files and programs quickly. System performance is further enhanced by 32GB of Intel Optane memory. Its 14-inch anti-glare IPS display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and driven by integrated Intel UHD Graphics 620, has a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. To help prevent side-angle viewing from onlookers, this display features a SureView privacy technology. For storing your files, there's a 512GB NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD, and it has two Thunderbolt 3 ports that support Power Delivery 3.0, plus two USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A ports, one of which doubles as a charging port. Always stay productive with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme laptop. With a 9th Gen Intel Core processor, 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM, and M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD, it provides you with the power and performance that you need. The 15.6-inch display features a 1920 by 1080 resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio, and its IPS panel offers wider viewing angles. The system is powered by a 9th Gen 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7-9750H 6-core processor. The webcam also has Think Shutter that you can physically block the camera, which protects you from malicious surveillance. It also has 64GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM, a 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD, an SDXC media card reader, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, Thunderbolt 3, and USB Type-A. Finally, at the top of the list we have the HP Spectre X360. This system comes with a 15.6-inch Ultra HD Bright View touchscreen for hands-on control, and its natural finger touch navigation makes the most of Windows 10. The 4K resolution boasts impressive color and clarity with an energy-efficient LED backlight. It is equipped with the 8th Gen Intel Core i7-8550U mobile processor ultra-low voltage platform, and it offers a 4-core, 8-way processing that provides maximum high-efficiency power to go. The Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.0 delivers extra dynamic power when you need it. Its 16GB system memory for intense multitasking and gaming, 512GB PCIe solid-state drive. Plus, it has 4 modes engineered to amaze: NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics driven by 2GB dedicated video memory quickly renders high-quality images for videos and games. Additionally, it has dual HP speakers, HP Audio Boost, and expert tuning by Bang & Olufsen to bring audio perfection to your laptop. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.